I have KRUGER MATZ Live 7S, and let me show you how to set up this device. So basically, let me show you how to activate this phone. So let's start by using the welcome panel. As you may notice here, you've got the full list of available languages that you can use on that device. In my case, let me find English. Let me choose the region. In my case, it could be United States. You can change some vision settings as well, for example, the font size, and also use emergency to make some emergency calls if you need something. If not, let's just go next by tapping start. So now you can connect your device to a mobile network by inserting SIM card, or you may skip this point. Let me do it. Here you can also connect to a Wi-Fi. Let me do it. The Wi-Fi connection enables a few interesting options. Let me tap see all Wi-Fi network to find my desired one. So let me choose my Wi-Fi, the device is connected. Now you have to decide either you would like to copy your data from your Android or iPhone device, or you can set up your phone as a new. In my case, let me set up as a new. The phone is checking info. So here you can sign in into the Google account. It's also not necessary, you can skip this point by tapping skip. But Google account enables a few interesting things, so let me do it. Let me connect to my existing Google account. Now it's time to tap next. Let me just here enter the password. Alright, so if you are ready, let's tap next right here. Let's tap agree terms of service and privacy policy. The device is getting account info. You can unlock your device by using a fingerprint, or you can tap skip to don't connect your device with the fingerprint. You can also protect your phone by using pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me tap not now. Let's choose skip anyway. The phone is checking some other information. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright, so here you can meet your Google Assistant information. In my case, let me tap next. And here we've got some Google services, so you can here back up to Google Drive. You can help apps find your location, improve location accuracy, send system data, and use other stuff. In my case, let me just tap agree to all of them. You can also set up another email if you would like to. In my case, let me choose no thanks. The device adding some finishing touches. And that's it, the home screen just pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.